Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4. Welcome to the science class students. Grade 4. I'm your teacher Ms. Nidartaza. Students, this is the continuation of unit number 11, Force and Machines. We already read about what is force, what can force do. Force can make objects move faster or slower or stop them altogether. And we'll discuss about one activity which was on your book page number 86. Today's we'll review force can act an object from a distance. After that, we've already done reading of book page number 87 and 88 during June class, in which our topic about machines. Machines need energy, simple machines, and kinds of simple machines. So let's get started, students. First of all, brainstorming. Students, can you tell me what is force? Yes, you are right. Force is a push or pull. What can force do? Force can make objects move faster or move slower or stop them altogether. Does force can change the shapes of objects? Yes, students. Force can change the shapes of objects. Simple examples are rubber band, plasticine, and sponge. Students, now we are comes to our topic for today is what is machines. We use machines all the time. They are everywhere, at home, at work, on the roads, in the sea, and the air. A bicycle, a car, and an aeroplane are all machines. We use many machines at home, a sewing machine, a washing machine, a clock. Machines make our work easier, but they cannot work by themselves. They need some kind of force to make them move and work. A manual sewing machines need the power of your arm, right? A washing machine uses electricity, a car uses the energy in petrol, and a steam engine uses the power of steam to work. Yes, every machine needs energy. All machines to turn the moving parts inside them. Energy enables the machine to do useful work. All machines need a steady supply of energy to keep them working. Now, what is a simple machine? You are using a simple machine when you cut paper with a pair of scissors, right? You are using a spoon to lift the lid of a tin or cut an apple with a knife. These are all the examples of simple machines. Students, a simple machine helps to make your work easier. It can turn the force of your hand into a form of movement that helps you to do work. So what are the kinds of simple machines? Lever. You can see a lever. It's a kind of a simple machine. Like for example, if you are just opening the lid of a can by using a spoon. So that spoon is acting as a simple machine called lever. If you try to open a tin can with your fingers, you will have to apply a lot of force. A spoon acting as a lever makes your work easy. A lever has an arm that can turn on a point called fulcrum. When you fit on edge of the spoon under the lid, the edge of that can is the fulcrum. The downward force of your hand on the handle is the effort. It pushes the end of the spoon under the lid, the load up. A seesaw, wheelbarrow, and a pair of scissors are all levers. Liver system in our bodies. Students, liver system in our bodies, it can be considered as, for example, our elbow and ankle joint are two examples of livers. In elbow, you can see, in elbow, the joint acts as a fulcrum, and the weight of the forearm and the object held by the forearm muscle act as a load. The effort is applied by the two muscles in the upper arm. Forces work in pairs. Forces always work in pairs. Action and reaction work in opposite direction. The principle is used to space rockets and jet planes. Their engines expel hot gases and the reaction pushes them in the opposite direction, right? Muscles also work in pairs. When two muscles contract, the other relaxes. With the help of these muscles, we can move our arms and legs easily. Pulley. A pulley is a simple machine, students, which is made up of wheels. The wheel of a pulley turns on an axle. There is a groove around the rim of the pulley which holds a rope. When the rope is pulled, the pulley lifts a heavy object. So that will be all for today's students. Revise the lesson, students, and don't forget to read the lesson carefully again. Wash your hands after using the gadgets. Good luck for your assessment, students. Have a very nice and blessed day. Thank you, everyone.